Hello, students. Today is October. No, it's not. It's August 31st, 2015. I always get this mixed up because October, like octopus, the root word of it is oct, which means 8, like octagon. And so I look 831, I think 8 oct, and I say October. The reason for that is back in the old Julian calendar, before the Gregorian calendar, there were 10 months with 40 days each. And so September, like septuagenarian, Oct, like October, November, like 9, December, like Deca, which is 10. Those were 7, 8, 9, 10 months of the year. Well, when they made the Gregorian calendar, they added 2 months in, and I don't remember which 2 months they added. Maybe July and August, like for Julius Caesar and Augustus, but it makes sense because the Julian calendar might have had that. Anyway, that's why I get that confused, but it is indeed Monday, August the 31st of 2015. I cannot fix your car, but I can tell you about the Gregorian calendar. It's pretty sad. Announcements, clubs. I decided that I was never going to get clubs set up if I didn't just go ahead and do it. And so I did it. And clubs are in the process of being set up. I'm still trying to find our old club leaders to add them to that. And so there are 2 roles in there, club members and club leaders. So I'm going to get all the club leaders set up first. Then we're going to have a big club join day. I don't know what else to call it. I called it something else in my email, and it sounded good, but now I can't remember what I called it. So we're going to set up all those clubs, have the leaders set up, and then we're going to have a big join a club day, and that way we can have it all organized. If I just say, hey, let me know if you want to be in a club, then I do all the work. I don't want to do the work. I want the club leaders to do the work, so I'm going to have to train them on how to do it and have a specific process of how it all goes, that sort of thing. So we're going to have a big join a club day, but it won't be today. It'll be soon. Hopefully this week, but I doubt it. Probably next week. But at least we're on the way to having some clubs set up. Yippee, yippee, hooray. Attendance will be posted either tomorrow or Wednesday. If you're accruing absences, remember what the consequences for those are. If you get 5, you get put on an intervention plan. If you get 10, you get a warning. And if you get 15, you leave. Bye. Forever. Meaning, you could really mess this whole thing up. And I don't want that to happen to anybody. So make sure you pay attention to that. What else do I have? Seniors, make sure you have registered for Tennessee Promise. I think hopefully everybody has by now, but if you haven't, please do that. It's very important that you do it. And see a lot of good work being turned in. I hear a lot of good things from your teachers, so great job on that. Please hang in there. I've been getting some emails about, well, math is too hard. No, it's not. It's not too hard. It is hard. It's not too hard. But what I need to see from every student before I get an email about how hard their class is, are you starting it early in the week? Are you taking notes? Are you asking questions? Are you meeting with your teacher during office hours? Are you forming a study group with your friends? I don't know how many people have emailed me about how hard math whatever is, and then I go in and look at their teacher who wants to set up study groups, and like 5 people have agreed to do that. I don't get it. So either it's hard and you set up a study group and do all these other things, or you don't know if it's hard yet because you haven't done it the right way. That's the thought for the day. But anyway, lay off the math teachers, people. God, y'all beat them up at the first of the year. It drives me crazy. So do the right thing in math. And then if it's really hard, then we'll see about doing even more for you. But you have to do the basics first. And you can do it. Every student in this school can do it. It's just a matter of doing it right or not. But anyway, everything's pretty great other than that. Have a great day. Do something fun today. It's pretty outside.